In this video, I want to talk about how you can withdraw from eToro to PayPal. Now you might notice that I have my funding right here, and why I have this is because before you can withdraw to PayPal, you need to deposit with PayPal. So to be able to deposit with PayPal, you need to click here and select PayPal. Now you can see PayPal is only available after first deposit, so you actually need to make 2 deposits. You need to deposit normally, and then you also need to deposit with PayPal. Once you've done this, you can open up the withdraw funds right here, and you will be able to select PayPal. So select how much you want to withdraw, and then under payment methods, you can select PayPal. Now currently this is the only way to do it, and there's not really much more to it. Once you've done this, it should withdraw it to your PayPal if you choose it under withdraw, and then it should be on your PayPal within a maximum a few business days, but usually it's just within a few minutes. So just keep that in mind, guys, that you need to deposit with PayPal first before you can withdraw with PayPal. Now I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.